Würdest du für 500.000 Euro riskieren zu sterben? Okay, ich wusste, dass irgendwann kommt, aber dass jetzt kommt, ist krass. Das ist crazy.
Would you risk burning alive for $500,000?
Yes, let's do it, man.
Okay, good luck, man. You're braver than me. This is gonna be crazy. This man is literally in a burning building. Oh, there's fire around the door. The entire room is on fire. Oh my gosh, this is the craziest thing we've ever filmed. And behind
What
him
the
is
fuck?
$500,000.
Ich habe eine Frage, stirbt man da nicht an Kohlenmonoxid? Kohlenstoffmonoxid? Ja, dachte ich auch gerade, ja, ne?
Which he could win if he completes 7 death traps, including getting shot out of a cannon into fire, jumps through death-defying rings of fire, surviving massive fiery explosions, and so much more. Out of there! Get out of here, come on. In case you're curious who this gentleman is, he's actually a professional stuntman, but we are gonna push him to the max in this video. They still gotta get the money. All the rooms on fire. Watch out, Chandler! Alright, that's 2 of the 10 bags.
What the fuck?
Nolan, get the fire extinguisher! Hurry up, the house is about to collapse. Alright, that's it. The money's on fire. Oh my god, the money's burning.
Hä, aber wie ist das real? Wie ist er nicht gestorben, Bro?
Lights are on fire. Put it out.
My adrenaline.
Ich check's nicht. Der muss doch instant sterben wegen diesem Monoxid-Scheiß da. Der hat keine Maske. Der hatte keine Maske.
is pumping right now.
You managed to get $250,000 out of that building.
Der hat nur diese Augenmaske.
Let's head to the next death trap. Take off your blindfold, Eric.
Bruder, er hat Hausfall, Digga.
Take off your
Bro.
blindfold.
Digga, das ist Hausfall. Holy shit.
Eric, welcome to death trap number 2.
What is this, man? How high up are we right now?
Pretty high up. You want to look down?
Not
Du
really.
darfst nicht reden. Hey, meine Haare sind gar nicht so schlimm. Er geht auf seine eigenen Leute. Bruder, schön.
Also, cue the fire.
Oh, come on, man. What is this?
I'm gonna be honest, until we filmed this, I didn't know you could light water on fire.
What's Jimmy's obsession with fire?
This death trap is very simple. Hanging in front of the platform are 3 bags of cash, each representing what could be the new amount of money you'll be competing for. And as they increase in amount, they get further and further from the platform.
Ich sag Todeseinfach. Oder mit voller Wucht einfach nach vorne springen, Digga, greifen fertig.
To run and jump for. If you hang on it, that will be your new prize pool. Look how far away that is. Oh my god.
Easy, Digga.
That is a solid distance right there.
Don't worry, if you miss, you'll just fall in a giant pond of flaming water.
I got shorter legs, but they'll surprise you with some power.
Okay, which bag are we going for? Do you want to take the easy route, lower your prize pool by 100 grand?
Let's not do this one. It's too easy, man.
All right.
Nein, das ganze Geld!
This is your
Nein!
current prize pool. Do you want the 250 grand, or do you want to risk jumping 10 feet for the 300 grand?
I'm gonna risk it all.
Okay.
Nein!
Only the 300 grand remains, so.
All right. Here we are.
And with that,
Oh,
make sure you dodge the fire and the scissors.
copied.
Is it really worth risking everything just to add $50,000 to the prize pool?
Jetzt soll ich mal tryen, ob ich so weit springen kann? Habe ich hier genug? Ne, ich habe keinen Platz.
Second guess my decision making.
Here, can I see you jump? Let's see it.
See it.
Oh yeah, you got the 300
I
grand.
appreciate that.
I don't think he got it. That was an
Doch,
ordinary.
easy. Schafft er.
100 million people watching. Let's see if he does it. Let's go.
3, 2, 1. See ya.
Schafft er. Easy, Bruder. Ohne Probleme, Digga. Ohne Probleme.
Make it back, though.
Oh Gott.
Oh, hell, he's gotta hold on. He's gotta hold on. Yes. He did it. He did it. Yes. $300,000. Let's see if he survives the next fight.
Bro, wenn ich von dem Survival-Projekt zurückkomme, ist mein neues Ziel so auszusehen. Ich habe mir vorgenommen, nach diesem Survival-Ding, ich werde nur noch clean, oder ich werde größtenteils clean essen. Ja, und Gym gehe ich ja sowieso. Aber ich will mehr auf dieses Food achten. Und dann, wenn Sellout-Stream losgeht, werde ich wieder fell-off, weil ich keine Zeit habe.
5 death traps.
Oh,
Not that far off.
great.
Reveal the trap.
Oh, okay.
For trap number 3, we are going to be shooting you out of this giant
W.
human-sized cannon And if you land inside of that yellow ring, you proceed with your $300,000 you've already won. But
Würdet ihr von einem 100 Meter Berg runterspringen für 1 Million Euro? Ja. Rede.
if you land in that ring of fire, I will add another $50,000 to your
Boah,
prize.
Digga, das ist
That's gonna
tough.
be awesome. I'm a stunt guy. We're used to this kind of craziness.
But if you miss both rings,
Bruder, wie soll er bestimmen, wo er landet? Digga. Hä?
you go home with nothing. And you're probably wondering, how do you calibrate the cannon?
Ah, okay.
How do you know if you're gonna go
Erklärt.
too far, too short, left or right, slam into the concrete over there?
That is exactly what I'm wondering as I look at this monstrosity.
Bring in the stunt doubles! We will be giving Eric 3 stunt doubles so you
Bruder, er benutzt lebendige Stunt-Doubles, Digga. Also diese Puppen da.
says
That's
dummies.
crazy.
1 by 1. You will fire them off to dial in the pitch, power, and direction of the cannon. If he doesn't hit the target after
Das
all
ist
3 stunt
geisteskrank.
doubles, his final shot will be up to complete chance, and he could lose
Das
everything.
ist
If I
crazy.
can map the right distancing into the 300K circle and then make my way to the fire and
Bruder, ich
increase
sag Real Talk, Puppen, die sein Gewicht haben, hätten doch auch komplett gereicht.
this, I think that's my move.
Did you ever think in a million years you'd be doing this right now?
No. And now here we are doing it.
This is your first of 3 stunt doubles. You can either get him 1 step closer to winning 350 grand or 1 step further away. What do you think about the pitch angle?
I'm gonna go up a little.
So the higher he points it, the further you go, just so you know.
Okay, well, let's ride.
Maybe a little higher? A little higher, yeah.
A little higher?
Okay. Now, for the last part of the equation, picture like a rubber band. The more you stretch it out, when you let go, the further it flies. So, the further he pulls your chair back, the further you're gonna go.
Bruder, wer baut das, Digga?
Dude, I'm feeling like we should start you at 75%.
Okay, so you want to do it right in the middle.
Right in the middle. Yeah.
Oh boy.
Oh, no.
Does it feel real now that you're in it?
A lot real.
Oh, this
Really
is gonna be
real.
crazy. 3, 2, 1, fire!
Boah, wie geil! Wie geil, Digga!
Okay, bring in the second stunt double.
Blue team.
There he is. Orange landed in the middle of the yellow. He wants you to land in the middle of the fire.
If I put you in the fire, no, I love you, but it's all in my best interest today. I'm
Ich
gonna
sag, der muss Angle genauso lassen, 100%.
increase the power.
Okay, okay.
And I'm gonna
100%.
bring this up just a little bit.
All right, how do you feel about that, Blue?
I think I'm gonna find out very quickly.
Based on my math, Blue is gonna go a lot further.
Have a good ride, dude.
Let's do it! Pull the pin!
Oh, good, he missed. We are close.
He landed in between the yellow circle and the ring of fire, meaning if that was you, the video would be over and you would have gotten nothing.
Yeah.
Come on in, Red! Okay. Bro, Eric, this is your last stunt double. You gotta nail it right now, or you're coin flipping it all.
So I'm gonna go up by 10, leave the angle, and we'll see what that gets us.
Arm the cannon! You better land in that fire!
dude.
3, 2, 1, fire! Oh,
Digga! Boah, W!
barely made it in.
I'm gonna increase the power by 5, and
Guck mal, ich hab gesagt 100%, Digga. Wo sind die Hater? Ich hab gesagt, genau gleiche Angle, 100%, Bruder. Hör doch direkt auf mich.
I think it's gonna get me into my sweet spot.
But first, why are you trying so hard to land in the fire and add an extra $50,000 to your prize pool?
My dad's health has been
Jedes Mr. Beast Video, Bro. Jedes Mr. Beast Video. Irgendwas mit Familie und er will irgendwem helfen und traurige Musik, bla 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 bla. Bruder, ich hab keinen Bock mehr, ja? Kann sein, ja, aber Bruder, mach doch was anderes.
an up and down roller coaster from
Sorry, war ein Witz. Sorry.
some cancer to health stuff. This is something that I can use to really invest into giving them a good retirement and helping with their health and continue growth.
That's why you want to keep growing the prize pool.
Wow.
And you want to land in the fire and you want to keep taking all these risks so you can take care of your parents.
It's a pretty special thing. So
Oh.
I agree. I do the same for my mom. It's freaking awesome. Let's see if he lands in the fire. You have $300,000 riding on this shot.
well, I'm taking care of my parents. I got to do everything I can to support them. So we got to go big.
3, 2, 1, fire! 300 grand on one. 300 grand on one.
Oh, Bruder!
Oh my goodness, we gotta give it to him. He did it. He's moving on to the next round with $350,000. Come on over. Yes! 350,000. once. I need
Ich darf auch mal Witze darüber machen, ja?
to bag you.
Wait,
All right, don't ask questions. He still has 4 death traps between him and his 350 grand.
Glashaus.
Let's go to the next one. Eric, welcome to Death Trap number 4. Behind you is your $350,000 in a giant room full of fireworks. And above that room is a meteor. What do you think we're about to do?
Blow up this money if I don't get something accomplished here in a fast amount of time.
Correct. Basically.
Von Tarek, danke für Prime Sub. Dankeschön.
And drag as many bags of money as you can back onto the bed of this truck. When that 5-minute timer hits 0, that meteor, which will be on fire, is going to crash into this room full of fireworks with your money. And whatever's not on this truck, when that timer hits 0,
Der Mann muss nach dem Video nie wieder arbeiten. Bruder, 350.000 ist jetzt nicht so viel, dass du dein ganzes Leben nicht mehr arbeiten musst, Digga.
will explode.
Okay. I've never thrown a grappling hook.
This is going to be interesting. And before we start,
Vor allem
we're
in
going to give you an
Amerika.
opportunity to potentially win an extra $50,000. That is $400,000.
Wenn du schlau machst, in keiner Welt, Digga, du kannst nicht mit 350.000 Euro ein ganzes Leben leben. Das geht gar nicht. Oder selbst wenn du richtig, okay, vielleicht wenn du richtig Spaß, Digga, richtig geistkrank Spaß und wirklich hungerst wie ein Hund, okay, dann vielleicht, ja. Aber, Bruder, normale Leben, so 0 auf 15 normale Leben, niemals 350.000, niemals, in keiner Welt, Digga, nicht mal, ich sag nicht mal 20 Jahre, Bro. Nicht mal 15.
I came here with nothing, leaving with anything would be
Okay,
amazing.
15
So if I
maybe.
get one
Nee,
bag
ich
on
sag
this
nicht mal
truck, I will be
15.
stoked.
Nicht
I
mal
would
10,
feel really
Baby.
bad if you only got one bag.
Well, I'm going for all of them. The amazing things I could do for my parents and taking care of them into their old age. Yeah, dude,
I'm rooting for you.
I knew it.
And just so we're on the same page, I don't control that meteor, and those are real fireworks. When that timer hits 0, we literally need to be behind these blast shields, or we could, like, die.
I don't
Geil.
want to die here today.
You know what? Same page.
Come on, man.
Okay.
We're on the same page.
$400,000 on the line. Yell, light the meteor.
Light the meteor?
Yell it.
Light the meteor!
3, 2, 1.
Digga, bei Mr. Beast zu arbeiten und diese ganze Scheiße da zu bauen, muss so geil sein, Digga. Du kannst die größte Scheiße bauen, Digga.
Start the
Bro.
timer. First throw.
Stark.
All right, he got it back.
Stark.
He got it back with this first throw.
First fish on the line, baby!
Now these things are heavy. He's got to pull it up.
We're on. Come on.
Coming up.
Here we go.
Oh, look at that meteor up there. That is crazy.
Bruder, da fällt alles runter.
Watch out.
No, don't do that.
I might have messed him up.
We got one, baby.
30 seconds have gone by. You got this.
Come on.
Oh, wow, that meteor is
Don't
burning.
worry about the meteor.
The fire's dripping. Might light on fire before 5 minutes.
Oh, we got one.
All right, number 3.
Bruder, der macht das nochmal rucki zucki, Digga.
They're not a prop. When that meteor falls, the explosion
Ich sag, der sagt ihm, der soll chillen für Plot. Bruder, der macht das gerade zu schnell. Fürs Video ist das richtig scheiße.
can be insane. I'm kind of scared.
Come on, baby.
Eric, let's go. In 3 minutes, I can... Oh, he's missing. When the timer hits 0, this truck is moving, because if not, we can literally get hit with like 1,000 fireworks.
We got it.
This will put him at 200.
Wenn du jetzt 350.000 Euro bekommen würdest, also zu deinem Lohn dazu, was würdest du dir sofort davon kaufen? Gar nichts. Jetzt investieren oder erstmal überlegen, was ich damit mache.
$1,000, 200. Come on, hurry up there. So half the time's gone by and he's got half the money, but now
Privatkonzert von Ado, Rede.
he keeps missing. Oh, it's stuck.
Wait,
It's stuck. Wait, all right. I had a feeling I would have you have 2 left. Oh my gosh, you're wasting time. At this pace, he's not gonna get all the
No,
money.
don't talk like that.
Go.
Don't talk like that.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, Eric. Oh no. Eric, I don't want it to happen like this.
He is not getting the bags quick enough. He's got to speed up.
Ah, step
Ih,
on the
warum
line.
sagt der? Warum ist das so scheiße?
All right, you got one. Less than 2 minutes, and those fireworks are gonna blow up. Make sure you're behind the blast wall, camera guy.
Help me out, Jimmy, come on.
All right, 90 seconds. Lost another one.
Lost another one.
Oh my gosh, there's 150 grand still over there, and just over a minute left. Come on, man. Let's not leave this money behind. I'm gonna try to help you out. Let's go.
Bounce off the wood that's laying on the bag.
Oh no,
on.
I missed this
Come
one.
on, Jimmy.
Why is this so hard?
You got this, buddy.
In less than 30 seconds, we gotta get behind that blast shield. I'm not joking. That meteor's falling.
We got one. Last one, I think.
Hurry up! You gotta go! Hold up! Hurry, 14 seconds, 13 seconds. Oh, that meteor's
Oh, 700k. GG.
falling in 10 seconds. We gotta go. No, it's burning the power cables. Oh, yeah. Hey, leave it behind. Go.
GG.
Okay.
Bruder, als ob das instant explodiert. Nein, da wurde irgendwie gehört, niemals explodiert das instant. Digga, wie geil, aber.
It's safe to say that 100 grand is gone, but he still has more opportunities to win.
Stell dich vor, er hätte wirklich einfach $100.000 dahingelegt, Digga, und die werden jetzt einfach verbrannt, Digga. Stell dich vor, er wird das wirklich machen, Bruder. Das wäre geisteskrank.
Money. Let's go to the next trap. Let's go! In honor of the $100,000 that just exploded in a bowl of fire, we thought we'd go somewhere special. Eric, welcome back to where it all started. This is the room at the start of the video where you lost $250,000.
What are we doing back in this room, man? I hate this room.
Light the room on fire.
Come on, man.
The room is now
Kohlenstoffmonoxidvergiftung! Woo!
on fire, and if you do not get this money out before it burns, you will lose it. But I will cut you out if you tell me you like my brand new
Oh, hell nah, Digga.
Jack Link's Mr. Beast beef stick.
Bruder, nein, der hat schon wieder etwas Neues?
Cut you out if you tell me you like my brand new Jack Link's Mr. Beast.
Nein, Bro. Halt deine Fresse, Digga. Bruder, jedes Video hat der ein neues Produkt, Digga. Das kann nicht sein, Bro.
Beef stick.
Let's go. I'm in.
This is my brand new product with Jack Link's.
So räudig ekelhaft
What do you
aus.
think of it?
That's actually really good, man.
Try some more. Oh, that fire's getting kind of
Yeah, I
big.
didn't know. Come
Yeah,
on.
this is our original flavor.
That's really good, too.
Okay, but be honest. Are you saying our brand new Mr. Beast Jack Link's beef sticks made
Sag nein und dann sagt er, kill yourself.
with 100% real beef are good because you want me to cut you out?
That's actually really good.
I'm not sure. I'm convinced.
I got some fantastic.
I'll cut you free. Oh wait, actually, one more thing. What do you think? What do you think of the packaging?
It's awesome, dude. The coloring's amazing.
Ich muss ganz kurz nochmal den Clip sehen. Ich muss mir kurz nochmal anschauen. Ich will nur einmal sehen, kurz nochmal.
Do you like Feastables?
No.
Kill yourself.
You don't like Feastables?
Do you like Feast?
Okay,
Getting kind
nice.
of hot here. All right, you're free. You're free. Let's get the money out of here.
Well, y'all doing that?
We're out of here.
Hey, the beef stick.
Get the beef stick.
You're gonna die. Come on.
Okay.
You just survived another death trap. What?
Bruder, wer ist das? Wer ist das und warum ist er auf einmal da? Frage einfach mal in die Runde rein jetzt.
$300,000 in cash.
Kameramann, aber was macht der da? Der hat keine Kamera, der ist einfach nur dabei.
Everyone, cheers. Let's celebrate. You can try it. We have 4 flavors. Each beef stick has 5 grams of protein. You can buy it at these retailers. And guys, this trap was easy, Eric, but the next one, you're probably gonna lose a lot of money.
Come on, man. Wait a second. Talk to me here.
I need one big sticks.
I hope Eric enjoyed the Jack Link's Mr. Beast collab, because he's gonna need that protein for this next.
Sieht aus wie Plastik. Ja, aber Bruder, ich finde sowieso auch dieses Beefy und so. Bruder, das sieht räudig aus, aber ist okay vom Geschmack her, so sag ich mal.
Trap. Welcome to trap number 6. What do you think of this, Eric?
Oh, man. It's always fire.
Not only did we bring back fire, but we also brought the person that when I asked you before this challenge, you said you would trust your life with. You said you would trust your bank account with. Every dollar to your name with. Your best friend, Pat.
Dude, what's up, brother? I hope you're ready for this, buddy.
You and your best friend, Pat, will be doing this death
Wir haben beide einen Juicy Ass, muss ich sagen.
trap together. I'll explain more once I teleport to the
Warum muss immer alles brennen? Naja, es geht um Feuer halt in dem Video.
top.
All right, here we go. go, Pat.
For Death Trap number 6, Eric and his best friend are gonna be chained together. Bring it out, boys.
There's always a catch.
That's pretty short.
It is not ideal.
Eric is going to be chained to his best friend. While chained, Eric and Pat will have to move together
Boah,
to
wie
scale
geil,
this
aber.
50-foot tower and collect all 6 bags of money. And at the top of the tower, I have left an extra $50,000 that you can add to your prize pool. Whatever bags are not grabbed will be dropped and incinerated immediately. And one more thing. If either of you fall at any point, the video's over and you lose everything, Eric. Any last words for each other?
I love you, bro, and I trust you, man. Let's get this.
Digga, die sind gesichert, Digga. Wie peinlich. Hä? Mach doch ohne.
Man, let's have a good time, bro.
Drake, why are we close like that?
You want to be chained up? No? It's fair.
3, 2, 1, go!
Sollen die einfach sterben? Naja, das Video heißt, würdest du für 500.000 riskieren zu sterben? Da würde ich schon erwarten, dass die riskieren zu sterben.
Alright, they are off. Slow and easy, Eric. Slow and easy.
Du würdest niemals ohne machen. Ich schwöre sogar, so weit ich hier sitze, diese Aufgabe würde ich ohne machen, wenn ich müsste. Retalk, das ist nicht so deep, sage ich.
Come on, Pat. Platform's moving.
They got the first 50 grand.
Oh, perfect, dude.
Okay, Eric, we got this. Slow and easy, Eric. Slow and easy. Okay, guys, you have 2 bags.
Okay, once you're on level with me, I'm gonna move across, Eric.
If just a single bag falls in the fire, it's gone.
Moving quick, okay.
On level, go.
Go.
Oh, these guys are crushing it.
So bring it over, nice and easy.
Oh gosh,
Hold on.
you're going too fast. It's down the back of my hand.
Clipfarm, Clipfarm,
Slow down
Clipfarm,
just a little
Clipfarm,
bit.
Clipfarm.
Don't fall. If you fall, it's over.
All right.
Okay.
All right, can you come to me some? Come on, baby.
Dang, they've already got 3 bags. Leaning out. It's moving quick, it's moving quick.
Spannende Musik, weil es sonst nicht spannend wäre. Ja, lass mal testen. Lass mal kurz testen. Ich mach jetzt mit weniger spannender Musik.
My little pony, my little pony, little pony.
Move it.
Okay.
Come on.
Okay.
We're doing good. Come on, baby.
Got it. Boom.
Keep it up. Give me some slack, buddy.
Go for it, Eric. Let me know if you have space.
Smooth and focused.
This is his final bag, his extra 50 grand.
These are getting wide up here.
All right, yeah, I see that. This is it, the last one. All right, nice and easy, Eric. Don't mess this up right now.
Don't fall.
I'm not gonna fall.
Oder da kann man nicht fallen.
Get that on there, yes.
They have now secured the money, but they still have to climb up top.
Oh, dude, he's going.
Come on.
There we go.
Okay.
Last little one.
Okay.
Oh, okay, ich sag, dieses Hochklettern will mich abfucken da jetzt. Also ohne Sicherung jetzt. Das sieht ein bisschen tricky aus, aber ja. Also nicht so deep.
You're my bro, dude. Over the platform. We did it, dude. You're my man.
The hardest trap of this entire video is all that stands between you and 350 grand. Okay, take out the blind.
Und es brennt wieder alles.
Welcome to your final trap. Woo!
All right.
Digga, Fall Guys.
Elaborate than the last.
This death trap is more like an obstacle course, where there are 5 different stages that you will have to complete in under a minute and 5 seconds.
Why is it a minute and 5 seconds?
That's because we had 4 stuntmen attempt this course, and the average of their time was 1 minute and 5
Halt
seconds.
dein Maul,
The obstacle
Digga,
course will
halt
begin
dein
with you
Maul,
being shot
Bro.
out of the cannon again, and then jump through multiple rings of fire. After that, you'll have to dodge swingy hammers, swim underneath fire, and lastly, run across this massive fire hallway. Then jump and grab your money before it falls and burns. And this time, there's no way to get it back.
Woo, here we go. No pressure, right?
All right,
Geil, Blut, danke für den
take a
Sub,
seat
Dankeschön.
inside your cannon. It's time for the finale. Eric, this might be the most important moment of your life.
Are you ready?
Jimmy, I got a lot of hesitations on this one, man, but
All my time as a stuntman has prepared me for this moment.
You will have a minute and 5 seconds to make it across this entire flaming obstacle course.
Warum machen die das eigentlich alles immer bei Nacht? Ist euch schon mal aufgefallen? Also sieht halt cooler aus, ne? Aber die machen das alles bei Nacht.
And grab your money before it burns.
Do you have any questions? Anything you want to know before I fire you out of a cannon?
And start that timer.
What are the odds of you giving me a little more time, man?
I got some doubts in here, buddy.
Well, you want more than a minute and 5 seconds?
I mean, if you're willing to give it to me, I'd take it.
Yeah, I can't do that. Any other questions?
No, that was the only one, buddy.
Whenever you're ready, let's do this.
All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1.
Fire 'em! And the timer is off! Okay, he has a minute and 2 seconds left.
Ich sag easy. Ich sag, er finisht in... Ihm fehlen noch 3 Sekunden.
Swim faster, his money will burn. The timer's paused. So,
Warum pausiert? Warum pausiert? What the fuck? What the fuck? Peinlich!
You have 55 seconds left. How we doing?
Gather my breath. I got a mouthful of water, but I'm feeling good right now. I lost 10 seconds, but I think I can make up some time here, Jimmy.
Have you ever jumped through a ring of fire?
I've not jumped through a ring of fire. I've been into a house on fire. This is a first, man.
Hey, first time for everything. You got this. Next up, you have 3 flaming rings. Seems pretty simple, right?
It appears simple, but I put nothing past you, man. Nothing ever is as easy as it seems.
The big thing is the gaps behind the rings. If you fall and have to pull yourself up, that will eat up a lot of time.
Nice clean
Oder
jumps.
da ausrutschen, hätte ich gar keinen Bock drauf.
Straight through. Here we go.
All right, he's up. The timer has started again. First ring. Oh, he's
Boah,
going.
das
He's
ist...
going. He's supposed to go through the ring, not under the ring. That's what I was worried about. He's wasting time. Eric, let's go. Get to the third ring. Get on the same zone. On the same zone. Pause. All right.
Ja, doch, das hat er aber, glaube ich.
42 seconds remain.
I lost a little time there. Stub my toe, that's all right.
You have 3 stages left in the course. If you finish in the next 42 seconds, what will that money do for you?
It's gonna change my life, man. I'm gonna be doing a lot for my parents. I'm mapping their health, I'm mapping their retirement. They are my sole focus, and they're why I'm doing this, man.
Oh my gosh, man, I really hope Eric wins. The course gets harder as he goes, so let's see.
You got this, man.
Thank you, boys.
Lock in. You got this. That's what we're
All
here.
right.
Whenever you're ready.
All right.
He's off. Okay, so these platforms move. Don't fall. That's what makes it tricky.
Boah,
It looks
wie
easy.
kacke.
Platforms are floating on water,
Wie die
not
sich
anchored
bewegen,
down.
Digga, das ist ja richtig scheiße.
Next safe zone. Okay. 34 seconds remain, and I'm not sure it will be enough.
Oh, man.
This
Hat jemand verkackt eigentlich? Wer sagt's ihm? Wer sagt's ihm, Leute? Digga, Mac, Bro, despair.
next part eats up a lot of time. Obviously, you can't swim through the fire. That would kill you. So, for this next part of the course, you have to swim under the fire.
I wish I was a stronger swimmer, and I wish I had my breath, but I'm gonna get this done, man.
If you look to your right, you'll see a pair of goggles. You might want to throw those on because you're about to swim under flames. The amount of time Eric has left may seem like a lot, but the distance he has to swim is pretty far. And if he has to come up for air, it will really set him back. 34 seconds remain between your $350,000 being in your bank account or being in that furnace over there. And it's on you, man.
Oder was ist, wenn der hochgeht, da wo Feuer ist, Bro? Hä? Digga, ist das nicht voll kacke?
Oh, he's off.
Please do not come out in the fire.
Okay,
Boah,
only
wie geil das aber
30 seconds
aussieht.
remain. Where is he?
I don't see him.
Where is he? Oh, he's there! Get up! Get up! Get up! Get up! Get up! All right, it doesn't stop till he's up here. Come up! Come up! Come up! Grab the rope! Yeah.
17 Sekunden.
17 seconds remain. Okay. It's not a lot of time for the final course.
That's not a lot of time, but I got short legs and they're made for sprinting, man.
Here, catch your breath. Catch your breath. He's talking while he's full of water. For this final challenge, I'm gonna need you to put on this fireproof suit because you will literally be running through fire.
This whole time, I've been dodging fire.
Ja, aber du musst doch jetzt so rennen, Digga. 17 Sekunden reicht doch locker.
Right, now I'm running head on into it,
Oh yeah.
and it's gonna be all around me.
Yeah, no, you'll literally be running through fire. You escaped a room on fire. You were launched out of a cannon. You survived a massive fireball. And now, you'll have to run through the Hall of Flames and grab your money to win it all.
How is he supposed to run through that?
Das ist ja schwer, Bruder. Einfach
This
durchrennen.
guy's a freak.
Nicht so deep.
This suit will fend off the fire. You should definitely put it on. And finally, here's your gloves. See your $350,000?
I see it, man.
Once you leave the safe zone, you have 17 seconds to literally run through what I call the Hall of Flames and grab your money.
It's another house fire.
The timer starts back up when he gets off the green pad. I gotta admit, this guy has been pretty fearless this entire time. But I can
Ja,
tell
das ist echt
that
nicht
right
so
now,
deep, kann
for
das
the
sein?
first time in this video, he was actually scared of losing his money. Not much time left. Will he make it?
In 3, 2, 1, see ya.
He's off. He left the safe zone.
Digga, er joggt einfach durch, Bro. Er ist auf Aurafarben. Ja, krass, Digga, hä? Er hat noch 15 Sekunden oder so. Er zündet sein Geld an.
Oh, he did it! Holy crap!
Oh, wait, he's on fire! Put him out! Put him out! Put him out! Put him out! Hey, he's on fire! He's on fire! Eric has officially won $350,000!
Another spectacular end to an amazing stunt, dude!
Make sure you subscribe! What'd you
Ja. War cool. Aber ich sag, war eines der Mitvideos von MrBeast. Digga, ich sag ehrlich, die Aufgaben waren nicht so crazy.